everyone, I hope you're doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use Notion to organize my recipes, grocery lists, and batch cooking sessions. What I really love about using Notion for this is how flexible it is. You can customize pretty much everything to fit your needs. And by the way, Notion can automatically calculate things like the total time needed for a batch cooking session, or even the total cost of your grocery list, which is honestly super cool. Anyway, we'll go through all of that in this video, so if that sounds interesting, stick around. And of course, if you'd like to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. So the very first thing I do is add a recipe. Everything starts here. To do that, just click the New button and rename the page once it appears. The page is divided into two sections. At the top, you'll find the properties that help organize your recipes inside the database. Then below that, you have the actual recipe template. Once you've filled in information like the prep time, cooking time, number of servings, meal type, diet type, and rating, you can start writing your recipe. To add an image that will appear on the dashboard, simply click right here. And that's it. Now all that's left is adding your recipes. From the dashboard, you can instantly see the total number of recipes, as well as the combined preparation and cooking time across your entire collection. Now, whenever I want to prepare several recipes in advance, for example, my meals for the whole week, I use the weekly meal plan. Honestly, this is a total game changer. It allows me to gather multiple recipes into a single page and automatically calculate the total prep and cooking time. To do that, I simply click Edit in the top right corner and add one or more recipes. The calculations update automatically, so I can immediately see how much time I'll need to set aside. Then I just choose a day and time. Personally, I usually do all my meal prep on Sunday afternoons. Oh, and here's a little tip that I absolutely love. If you add a reminder, Notion will send you a notification on your phone or tablet as long as you're signed into the app. You can even choose exactly how far in advance you would like to be notified. Right below that, you'll find the weekly planner. I use it to schedule meals throughout the week simply by typing the recipe name and using the @ symbol. And finally, we have the grocery list. This is actually a smart grocery list because I can organize items by different grocery stores while automatically tracking both the total cost and the cost per store. To add a new store, just click New. From there, you can create items that will automatically appear in the main grocery list. You can also add items directly from the dashboard. At the top left corner, you'll always see the total number of items along with the total estimated cost. And here's another feature I really like. When you check off an item, it automatically moves to the Purchased section. So you always keep a record of your previous purchases, which is pretty handy. And of course, all of the statistics and calculations on the dashboard update automatically. Pretty awesome.